under the formula, present value of strike times n of minus d2, present value of spot times n of minus d1. Cherry times time times strike times n of minus d2, which is this one, spot times n of minus d1. By the way, you know who's actually responsible for this solution? Albert Einstein. I mean, he was solving a completely different problem. In thermodynamics, there's a problem called heat transfer equation, which is a partial differential equation like this one. Turned out the form of that problem is similar to this one. So Black and Scholes pretty much recognized that and used that solution. Then actually contributed to us, even from his grave. Back in 1905, he published 4 papers that year that shook 4 different areas of physics from its foundations. He actually got the Nobel Prize not for general relativity. He got it for a paper that shows the so-called photoelectric effect, which is essentially the base later on Heisenberg used to start the quantum theory. And Einstein was never too much of a fan of quantum theory, but he actually got the whole thing started. In addition to Planck, of course. You guys know about Max Planck? You gotta read these things, because quantum is a very interesting thing. It basically shows that there is no objective reality. That doesn't mean things are not real, they're just not as real as you think they are. This means for this option, you're gonna basically pay for each €100 worth of stuff, 169, and these are typically done with units of 1 million. So it's right here, contract units. I already multiplied by 100, that means I'm going to multiply it by another 10,000. In the meantime, I'll show you another trick. I'm kind of being lazy. I'm going to multiply 2 numbers, 2 formulas by 10,000 at the same time, without actually writing the formula. Copy that number, select the ones that you're going to multiply, right click, go to paste special, hit multiply. Okay. As you can see, it automatically put the parentheses and multiplied by 10,000. I don't need that anymore. Okay. This basically says if you do one contract, which means you buy the right to buy euro at 110 on 30th of April 2023, To get that right, you need to pay about $17,000 on it. If you want to do the same thing for the right to sell, which is a put option, you need to pay about $19,000. Now, the higher is the strike price, the lower is the value of call option, and higher is the value of put option. Because as the strike price goes up, the call option becomes less and less likely to finish in the money. Okay? Now, I'm not going to do it today, but in these options, we're going to think stuff like delta. But let me do it on I think I know what it is. I know. I may misremember this. It doesn't matter too much. It's nine times 1. Or 1 minus 8. And they should add up to should add up to 1. No, they're not supposed to. Alright. We can make this a different number difference. Very nice. This is an approximation of if the underlying price goes up by $1 or 1 cent, what portion of that change is going to apply to the call price.